Here we are, kid, room 102 at the Courtyard Marriott in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I've been here a couple times before, but I wanted to show you this room because it's a little bit different than the others. So we start off here, got a little seat in the bathroom, or not bathroom, I guess, powder room? I don't know what they call this thing, but whatever. Got the sink, coffee maker. You have the toiletries there. So we look here in the bathroom. So far everything's pretty standard. This fan does work, unlike about half of the ones that I've been to. So the shower here, the tile looks good. The bathroom or the shower floor tile is a little dingy, but it's doable. So look in here, normal closet stuff. We have the ironing board, we have the iron, plenty of hangers and the like. So then we have the TV, again with the Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, along with the cable there. No cable channel line up here, but I probably won't use it anyway. I'll be using the Netflix. So we have a desk. They did give me some chocolates for being a Marriott Rewards member. We do have a king bed. This bed, it is memory foam as well. So just like yesterday's, this one's memory foam. Sleep was pretty good last night, so not going to complain there. Little end table, plug. Those plugs always suck though. They're the holes are too big and your charger just falls out of them. So I end up using the ones on the back end there. But here we go. Clock. You can plug in your phone with the aux cord here. Then you can see outside. I'm on the first floor, so it's just the parking lot right out there. You can see the Hilton Garden in there. And then across the street, you might be able to see it. It's the Holiday Inn and the Convention Center over there. So I told you this room's a little bit different, and that's because this one has a Whirlpool tub here in the bedroom. So it's got its own light switch. So I have the light on, and it comes with a fan as well. Tub. It's seen better days, but you know what? It's not the worst, I guess. I have this little plant here to make it feel like it's tropical. So that's it, kid. See you later.